Good day, everybody. Mr. Hogan again here with your announcements for Wednesday, November 3rd, 2021. On the birthday list today, I have 4. I've got Triella Kurkowski, Tanaja Pearson, Annalise Ziller, and Bradley Ziller. So a very happy birthday to all 4 of you. Hope it's a great one. Today's lunch. Today's hot lunch items are cheese Bosco sticks with marinara cup, breaded chicken sandwich, or cheeseburger. These items are offered with Caesar salad, steamed green beans, garden bar, and assorted fruit. Additional daily options are jumbo PB&J, assorted sub sandwiches, assorted box salads, yogurt and sweetbread, and of course, everyone's favorite, hummus and pita bento box. All right. On to the news. The news is kind of short today, but there's more than yesterday. Attention MLC Mustang Leadership Club. Please plan to attend our meeting on November 9th. We will meet in the WMS Commons from 3:15 to 3:55 p.m. Please ensure you have a ride arranged. Please see Mrs. Stratton or Mrs. Toman if you have any questions. If you have ever dreamed of having your writing or artwork published, the Create Literary Journal is now accepting submissions from students in 3rd through 8th grade. Submissions are due by December 17th. If you have any questions, please contact your language arts teacher or Miss Hawkins in the library for more information. Sounds like a cool deal. All right, that is all I have today, folks. Make it a great one. And of course, there's only one thing left to do. You know what it is, last but not least. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.